Hi people, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. It's literally 4 days to Christmas, and today I'm just going to be showing you my behind the scenes or my Saturday routine. It was just a relaxing and wonderful day for us at home. Nothing much, but yeah, I was boiling the meat I bought yesterday, so in case you've not watched that one, you might need to go back and watch that video. I'll actually link it in the description. In case you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Dami, and thank you for joining me on this journey. So at this point, all the meat is done already. I've been most Saturdays I usually spend cooking, trying to prep for the next week, next day. So I boiled down the meat, the pepper. I don't think I did anything to that. I was just really tired, but I just said, you know what, this meat, I had to do it. I took some out. As I mentioned, I wanted to do, or I intend to do pepper soup. I hope, fingers crossed. But I have all the ingredients, so hopefully that's not too much of a bother. But at this point, I had taken meat, I had tasted. My child was behind me, he had already tasted. So let me know how many you can eat. Or is your discipline game strong when you're frying meat? I think meat for me is like the biggest temptation. I mean, chicken and all of those other things I can still, like move on, but meat, I don't know when I'll have eaten 5. But anyways, I took some out for pepper soup, which I'll be doing sometime next week. But right now I'm just frying it because we intend to eat swallow. Now, while all of that was getting ready in terms of the meat frying, I just decided to chill in the parlor and watch TV. Football at this point, you can see Man City and Aston Villa are playing. I mean, if you've been following football or the Premier League for this season, Man City is in shambles. I'm sorry if you're a Man City fan, but just pray you're going to make it to Champions League next year, because it's been awful. Out of 11 games, just literally 3-1. It's been losses and losses and losses. Please, who did you offend? Man City fan, you better go and beg whoever you offended to release you from this. I mean, at this point, I don't know, but we never can tell. There's like a 1 or 2 points gap between them and who's number 4 now. I can't remember who's number 4 on the table now, but it's just a one 1 point. So hopefully they're able to pick up. Now all of the meat is done, and at this point I just thought to share this really nice pamphlet we got from church, and I really think it speaks volume about what the season is all about. A Christmas that money cannot buy. And it says the first thing is love, and it is usually said that the average person in the United Kingdom spends hundreds of pounds at Christmas time. Now if you go to the stores, you know that this one is really true. Now going back to the pamphlet again, it says, ironically, most people would agree that it's actually things that money cannot buy that make Christmas really special. Things like family, you can't buy it. Friends, and even snow, you can't buy it regardless of whether there's snow in your area or not. Secondly, another thing that money cannot buy, according to this really nice pamphlet, is forgiveness. And unfortunately, most people, including myself, I'm not even excluding myself, we have made mistakes in the past. We've hurt people. We've done things that were not right. And the thing that they would like to receive this most is Christmas. So if you have someone in your heart right now that you need to forgive, please forgive them. If you think you need to ask for forgiveness from someone in this season, please remember to ask for forgiveness, and ultimately ask for forgiveness from God. Now, the final thing, according to this pamphlet, is everlasting life. I mean, we're all going to die someday. That's the honest truth. And we cannot buy an extra day, like no matter how much pounds, dollars, naira, euro, anything you have, you cannot buy everlasting life. And Jesus is inviting us today to ask him, or to give him a chance into our hearts. He's knocking on our doors and he's saying, confess your sin and I will know why it's cast out. So please give Jesus a chance today. In case you're watching this might be your last chance. Honestly, make it right with God in this season. And with those thoughts, I end today's vlogmas, and typically that's how we spend our Saturdays, and I'll see you on day 22. Bye.